Hey everybody, my name's Brendan Alger, and I'm gonna show you how to make an unturned server. So, first of all, you're gonna want to go to your Steam file. That is usually the default for that is usually in your PC. So if you go to this PC, OS, Program Files, Steam, then Steam Apps, because that's where all your apps are. That's where you're gonna find the Unturned folder. Common, and then there's Unturned right there. So Unturned. Now I'm going to delete this. There. Okay, so to make an Unturned server, you can choose between two of these. The normal Unturned, which is, it has cheats in it. Unturned. And then you have the Battle Eye, which has no cheats. So we're just going to do the normal, the Battle Eye one. And to make a server, you're going to want to go to Create Shortcut. So you're going to want to do that, and then you're going to find that shortcut. Now, you don't have to, but I like to rename it. I'm going to rename it Test. And you do not want to click on that, because that's just going to start the whole entire game up and kind of be a problem. Next, you want to go to Properties. And you want to go and make sure that there's quotations on each side of this target. So there's one on this side, so I'm guessing there's one on the other side. Now you want to go space, dash, no graphics. You want to go space, dash, batch mode. Then you want to do space, and then you want to do plus. Now next you can either put a LAN server or a secure server. A secure server makes it so people from far away can join your server. LAN server is in your home, your internet in your home, so people connected to your internet can join your server. We're going to do a secure server, and then you want to name your server, the server file. So we're going to name it school. Actually, no. Present. Perfect. There we go. And then that should be it. So once you're done with that, you can click Apply. Okay. And then your server is now it's a server. So now you're going to want to click on it, make sure that it actually is working. So it should pop up a little black screen that loads all of the server stuff. And then, once it's all done with that, I will get back to you. See, now it's working. And once this all gets done, I'll get back to you guys. Okay? See you later. Alright, now that is done. So it should look a little bit like this. At the top, it should have just the translations, the version of the game, just the translations, and all the loading items. And then at the very bottom, it should be loading the levels. And once it gets to 100, that is when your server is done. That is when it's playable. But we haven't added anything in. We haven't added a map, or a name, or a password, or anything. So now, to safely get out of it, you go to Shutdown. You just type in Shutdown and press Enter. That will safely get you out of the server. Any other way could probably corrupt it. So now that that is done, a new folder has been set in. Once you click on activate that, a folder gets over here, and it's called Present. That is the name of the server we made. So we're going to click on that. And to actually make things go in, we go to Server. And we go Commands. Now, if you're just starting doing commands and stuff, it will look just like that folder right there. But if you open with Notebook, it will look like that. So if you go Open with Notebook, there's nothing in here. We need to add stuff in here. So, first thing you kind of want to do is make a map. There's a lot of different maps in Unturned, but I'm just going to go with Germany. So we got that. Germany is our map. Next, you have to do the port. And you either do 27015, or you can do 27016 or 17. So you can do those. And then you have to do the name of your server. So this is what you're going to type in when you want to find this server. Let's just do test presentation. Hopefully I spelled that right. That'd be embarrassing. Now that's done. That's basically all the important stuff. Now you can add some stuff. I'm going to add some commands in a link down below in the description for you to check out and put some more links in, their commands in. There's like a ton of them, like one that makes it so you can only stay on for like an hour, but I'll put that in the description. Now you can put, I'm going to do my own personal stuff. You can change the modes, that's like the difficulty. And I'm going to go easy because I'm not very good at this game. Next you can do max players. Max players, the default is 8, so if you don't put that in, it doesn't matter. It's just going to be 8. So max players, 5. And then you want to put, well, I'm going to want to put in my perspective. So you can change if you want first person, third person, or you can do both. And I like doing both because you can change between them. So now that's done. And now you can, I think that's basically it. Oh, I forgot. Password. So password, you can put just any word you want. I can put my password as Brendan. So if you put your password like that, the password you have to type in is Brendan. And that should be good for the commands. That is how you actually get your server going. You want to save that. And oh, and you want to connect these by only one space. It kind of looks like 2 I put in there, but I put in 1 space between all these. So you just say what you want to put in, like map, and then you do a space, and then you do the type of map you want. And so, okay, to change how things spawn or change different things actually in the game, you want to go to config. That changes all this stuff. So as you can see, like right here, it changes what type of zombies. In easy mode, it doesn't really, like, there's no crawlers or sprinters or flankers or burners or acid zombies. The only zombies are the normal zombies up here, spawn chance. And you can change that, so you can put like a 1 in all of these, and then a ton of them will spawn. And you can choose all that stuff. There's stuff down here to change your health and all that, and your armor and all that. So that's how you do that. Next, all you're going to want to do is start up your server again. Now this is going to take a lot longer than the first time because it actually has stuff to program in. So once it's done with that, I'm going to get back to you guys and show you what it looks like. And it should start off with that. You successfully set all that stuff. So I'll see you when it's done. Okay, so this just got done. Now it will say down here, Steam server is ready. There's no workshop stuff, so it doesn't have to download any of that. Now it's a survival game, and its loading level is 100. That means it's done. You can play in it. So when it first starts up, if none of this stuff is red, then you did everything right. If it looks like this, then you did everything right. If there's any red text, that means you did something wrong, and you need to go in and fix it. Now that that is done, I'm going to show you what the Unturned, how the Unturned server works. So I'm going to get into Unturned, and I'll be back when I'm in. Okay, guys, we're back in Unturned, and we're going to quickly see if we can get this server up. We named it. Let's see. I don't remember what we named it. I'm actually going to go see what we named it, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, the name of the server was Presentation, so I'm going to quickly get in there. And once I'm in, I will tell you guys when I'm back. Okay, guys, the server worked, and I'm in now, just to prove to you that the server did work. But that is all the time I have for this video. So, link in the description for the commands, the extra commands. And I hope you guys found out a lot, and I'm happy that I was able to teach you guys this. So I'll see you guys later. Bye!